Ooh, I'm solo on this one. Okay, cooking light. We saw cooking light earlier. What did we see them with? With the knives. The knives that were also very popular. If you missed them, you could always shop backwards. It was a set of 8 really great knives, steak knives. But today they're also bringing us a ceramic non-stick double burner griddle slash grill. So it's dual-sided. This goes over your stovetop. It goes over a glass, electric, a gas. I do not believe it goes over induction though. No, it does not go over induction. So if you have an induction oven or induction stovetop, this one's not for you. Everyone else, this one could be for you. But if you want to transform your cooktop to a grill or a griddle or both, this is how you do it. Really, really cool. So the colors are the red, the black, and the blue. This is the underside, obviously, and the blue right here. The blue, you can really see how it's dual-sided, right? You have your grill on this side, so if you want those really great grill marks and searing your steaks and your pork chops and your chicken, you can do that. On this side, if you want to fry your eggs, if you want to make your pancakes, you can do that as well. It has a non-stick coating that has pour spouts as well on it. Now you can see there's like a little extra indentation on this side. I already got my fingerprints all over it, sorry. So you can pour out that grease really easily, pour it out into a jar or a container, save it to make duck fat fries or whatever. Makes it easy to pour. You have the helper handles. It's 15 inches by 11 inches. So what you're going to do, I'll just show you real fast. Let me move the black one out of the way. If you have a stovetop, but not induction, this will work nicely for you. You can see I have 2 different burners here maybe. I have 2 different burners, so this just places easily over the burners. Now you can use just one side or the other side or both at the same time. Maybe you wanna keep one cool, maybe you're searing your steaks and cooking your steaks, or maybe it's like an ahi tuna. You're searing it on the grill part, but then you wanna let it rest and you don't have this other burner going, but you have this one going. Does that make sense to you? So you can use it dual, or you can use one at a time. It doesn't matter. This can also go into the oven up to 400 degrees. So that makes it really cool too. Originally $45, it's now $29.99 plus it's shipping for free. It's done in a cast aluminum construction, so it's lightweight, but it's very, very, very sturdy. Again, not okay for induction, but if you have a glass stove top, check. If you have an electric, check. Gas, check. I'm sorry, no dice on the induction. Now, I'm being told to not wait on the black. We have 150 remaining in the black option. So if I have a black stovetop and I have a gas stovetop, so this would be like really seamless. It kind of like fits in. It's a low profile. It's only, well, 1.57 inches at its thickest. That's where the handle is. But the profile here is only gonna be like half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, but it's, again, lightweight. You can also sear on here and go ahead and put it in your oven underneath to finish the cooking process on, say, your filet mignons or your T-bones or however, what kind of protein you like. But I love the fact that you can use this as a griddle as an option also. The pancakes, that I still have never made a pancake, not a one, still scared of it. I don't know how. Maybe I keep on saying, now that it's officially in the kitchen with Julia, maybe I can get a little, maybe Jeremy Parker would do like a little video with me and teach me how to make pancakes, because I still don't know how. I've never done it, but now it's just a thing. But I can make eggs. I can do that really well. I can do my bacon on here as well. And we're gonna show you a little video of the pancakes that obviously I'm not the one making, but your asparagus can go on here. Oh, if you wanna make panini sandwiches on the grill side, you get those really great grill marks, but then of course you transfer it right to the oven, or you just start the cooking process in the oven. Now I'm a girl who loves her a fajita. Oh, you can do the fajitas on the grill side and then keep your tortillas warm on the griddle side. Makes sense. You're saving $20.51 with the free shipping and handling. It's $29.99. I'll take you through your colors one last time if we have a sec. Okay, here we have it in black, but don't wait on the black, I'm being told. 100 left in the black. We have it in the blue, 250, and we have it in the red, which is like a really deep maroon, bricky red. It's K97686. $750 brings it home on an easy pay, and da-da-da-da, it ships for free.